Hello, good morning, good evening, good night, everyone. This is your host, Sleepy Bull, doing another Elliot wave count here for this time Chainlink. And we're just going to be going through the current wave count and the most recent breakout that we just had. What a monstrous move! Look at that beautiful, beautiful, beautiful breakout. So, to start things off, everyone's been recently talking about the bullish news with Chainlink and the oracles and all the money that they're making. All these oracles, all these nodes are just raking in profits from DeFi. Interesting to note, there is such a thing known as Metcalfe's Law, which states that the value of the network is proportional to the square root of the nodes, or not square root, is equal to 2 to the power of the number of nodes, or something to that effect. So currently Chainlink has about 1,000 nodes, a little over 1,000 nodes. So that gives it, and correct me if I'm wrong, but the formula for Metcalfe's is probably 2 to the n, which would be around 2 to the 1,000 nodes. That's a very large number. So this project here is very bullish from a fundamental perspective. Now, from a price action perspective, you can clearly see we had the 5-wave move up. This is descriptive of a wave 1 correction here, with a wave 2 sharp drawdown, and then a wave 3 here. I normally like to measure from candle body to candle body. Let's do this here. There we go. And once you do that, you see that we hit the 3 right on the nose. Just about. Let's draw that. And let's bring this up a little more. Right on the nose, just about. So that's the 3rd wave extension. Now, in Elliot wave theory, there's always a sideways correction. If you have a sharp correction in one wave, this is known as alternation. So we have that property there, followed by a 5th wave, which ends right at the 2618 level. Beautiful, beautiful. Couldn't ask for anything more. And now, now comes the ABC correction phase. This is the trickiest part of the wave count. But as you can see, we have an ABC, whereas this is not really ABC, it's more like a WXY, but let's just go with it for now. So as you can see, well, let's do close to close. We hit the 1618 level. So right here, everyone should have known this was a bottom. Unfortunately, there were some, including myself, who thought we could have gone a little lower, just because, maximum target is down here. Maximum bottom target is down here. And the stock market FUD and all that. So who would have known? Maybe you would have gone to the 2618 level. It was a possibility. You always have to keep your options open. But the tall tale sign of a bottoming is the right angle broadening wedge here. This is like an accumulation channel, so to speak. And if you go to the 2-week, I think it's a little bit more clear. The daily as well. So this channel here, or not channel, this right angle descending broadening wedge is a classic bottoming pattern. So that was the smoking gun for me. And we broke out. Now to our count, we have a W, X, Y. Whereas this is A, B, C move. Down. A, B, C move up. We have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Believe it or not, that lines up perfectly. Wave 1, wave 2, wave 3 all the way down here. Sideways wave 4, which could be taken as a accumulation channel or Wyckoff accumulation phase, whereas wave 5 was the spring test. And if you take the projection, spring test was exactly, as I always like to do, candle close to close, was exactly 1272. And that falls in line with the wave 5, one of a wave 5 target. And then we're off to wave 3. Wave 3 has an ending here. Retest. And then finally break out wave 5 here. So interesting to note, I have this as an intermediary count, so this will be the primary wave 1. Now, something to note, I have my counts in log fibs. Everything I do is in log fibs. So something I think everyone should realize is log fibs play out in very long time scales. This, my friends, is the wave 3 that I speak of. This, so to speak, is Valhalla. It remains to be seen if we hit 2000, but I think it's very likely. Some have said that we have broken out of the downwards channel. I don't see that. I take from the top here to the top here. Some charts show a breakout. Not sure which charts those are. Of course, we have this channel not encompassing the entire move down. If we bring it out a little further, we have that there. So an alternate count would be, this is wave 4, and then a wave 5 down here, but I doubt that. I seriously doubt that. We have the monthly MACD cross. Let's just pray that this does not cross over, but we do have the monthly MACD cross. That is our very, very strong sign of strength. So in closing, I do expect a retracement here at 1190, 1090, down to here, and then potentially breaking up. We'll see. Signing off till next time. Stay bullish, my friends.